We are going to review one important paper that helps us in modeling and experimentation. There are many good papers from Winter Simulation Conference website. All the papers in the past years are available for free download. We will discuss one paper from 2009, How to Build Valid and Credible Simulation Models. Validation is to make sure that our model represents a real-world system accurately. If a model is valid, we can set it up for different scenarios and use the result to guide decision-making. The paper introduces a 7-step approach for simulation modeling. Step 1. We need to formulate the problem. We talk to the decision maker first and ask for a kickoff meeting with domain experts. We list the objectives, questions, and outcomes. Data collection are for both structural modeling and quantitative modeling. At this moment, we may try to implement a rough model to see if what we get makes sense. Step 3. We check with the domain experts about the workflow we got. We should correct any mistakes before moving forward. Step 4. We start to program a more detailed model. Besides the workflow, we also create animation to help both debugging and presentation. We test run our model and compare it with the real-world system to see if they match. This is called validation. In sensitive analysis, we played with different parameters to see which factors have great impacts on the outcomes. After validation, we double-check our model and start to run it with more experiments. We continue to analyze the result. If the results are not satisfactory, we may need to go back to revise the model setup and run more experiments. Finally, we need to document the results and show them to the decision makers and the domain experts. We have learned these techniques in our class and other supporting courses in operations research and statistics, but we need to use them more in order to get familiar with them. In the end, the paper emphasized the importance of data collection. Data collection is often time-consuming and affected by the collector and the collecting procedure. Please read the paper for more details. It has been uploaded to the Blackboard.